mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie inoro miaraho itika ya Kenya na Angola gwetererwo na mito farafara ngurani ikirigirira kuhingwo Gachagua kuria Amerika irugamie Ruto ukana shera fururini ucio akiuga Ruto ni aracemania na itoi President Ruto na Raila kumba kamiti ya guthurima ukinyaniria wa ngirimiti ya ciama cia UDM na arutania kupetu gutetia ngirimiti ya
amukira ngeidici yakwa o ringi mwiroreri wa ceceni ya Inoro TV haria hothe uratwa mukirari thutha wa gukirikia tabarira ya uge wa kuru ningi ni ndagiuka mwena nigetha ngorwo ngikumenyithia maria tukiri namo na ritwa riakwa ni Ikuwa wa Boshiririkana no twandikire kuhitukira namba ya ndumiriri nguhi ya 2288 na hokuria kwa mutambo wa YouTube turio kuona wa Citizen Digital na ukorwo gitwandikira na nitukorora ndumiriri yaku tukirikiriria na tukiambiriria maria turi namo ni ati timu ya bũrũri ya Harambee Stars ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtengerania na ũhotani wa kerĩ hwaĩ-inĩ wa ũmũthĩ ciahanda thaa 1 cia ũtukũ kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kasarani magithima na hinya na timu ya Angola na ta ũrĩa mũgũre wa Karuiro aratarĩria anake aya rungu rwa nyabara Beni Makathi marĩ cemba mbere ya mbĩtĩka ĩno ĩrĩa yetereirwo na mĩto.
Gikundi kia A kiri na timu ithano na iria hingo ciothe coach wa Stars Ben Makathi akiaria iguru riakio aratucorera bica ya gikundi kiritu makiria ende riu akiuga marahuthira kanya ga kuonekana ta matari na hinya gucangarara.
We like being the underdog because it's nice to be underestimated and then we can always surprise everybody on the day of the game, so we know we're going to be up against a team that's really good, irrespective of their first match, the result that they've got, but they're going to come against us with so much to prove, and hopefully the boys will be ready for the challenge and looking to try and surprise themselves.
A timu cia DR Congo, Angola, Zambia Jumapiri thiru kiharoini kia Nyayo maguthire Angola na bao 2 hatari macokio maiganainie point 3 hwaini wa umuthi thaa 1 Kasarani Stars makiaburana na timu ya Angola.
They play a 3-4-3, 3 attackers, and then they do tend to press teams high, but like I said, for me it's all about focusing on the players and just to stay calm and not panic. If we are more clinical and more secure with ourselves in front of goal, I think we can have a lot of joy, as good as a team that they are. But at the end of the day, we always focus on ourselves and what we do.
Athaki mwena wao makirira a Kenya akuoya ngucanio imwe kwa ihinda.
I said it's a matter of teamwork because defending starts on top. So it's everyone involved. So if the concentration is good 100%, everything will be good in every position, from the back to front. Not only for me, but for every player. It's a great platform. Everyone is working hard to make a step.
A Kenya iravatara kumatha nari point 7 ikoro iri na tigiti wa ikireka ria quarter finals igitigaria ngucanio na timu cia Morocco muthi wa kiumia na Zambia oro kiumia kiria kingi. A timu cia mbere igiri oro gikundi ikiingira ikireka ria quarters nacio ikundi cia A, B na C makiona mweke wa best loser. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Inoro TV jitagwo Mugure wa Karuiru.
Ngatho Mugure wa Karuiru na tugithina mbere ni ati timu ya Tanzania Taifa Stars riu nio matongoretie gikundi-ini kia B ngucanio-ini cia CHAN mari na point 6 nĩ thutha wa kwanũra Mauritania hwaĩ-na bao ĩmwe gwa kĩbũgũ kũhĩtũkĩra mũthaki Shomari Kapombe, nao Burkina Faso marĩ a kerĩ thutha wa gũtoria Central African Republic na bao 4-2 mũthenya wa ira.
Shomari Kapombe, one of the veterans of the team. The corner will come in towards the back post, and they found the opener. Burkina Faso 10 minutes in. Short run up, Chibinda. Oh, what a reply from the debutants! Glorious goal. Can't make the save. Malo from the spot makes no mistake. Burkina Faso surge. Ball given away. Chance for 4. Converted superbly. Then pouncing upon it, and from a tight angle, he's managed to.
Na tũgĩthina mbere nĩ atĩ President William Ruto na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga nĩ mombĩte kamĩtĩ ya memba 5 arĩa mahetwo kĩbarũa gĩa gũthũrima ũkinyanĩria wa ngirimiti ya ciama cia UDA na ODM. Ngirimiti ĩno ya agenda 10 ĩrĩa yekĩrirwo kĩrore mĩeri 5 mĩthiru ĩrĩkanaga nĩyo mũthingi wa kũrutithania wĩra gatagatĩ ka Raila na Ruto. Kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũkinyanĩria riboti kũrĩ Ruto na Raila o thutha wa mĩeri 2 rĩrĩa bunge ya UDA na ODM maracemania o thutha wa mĩeri 3. Mwangi wa Maina arĩ na riboti ĩno makĩria.
Mĩeri 5 kuma rĩrĩa President William Ruto na mũrunawe Raila Odinga mekanĩrĩire ngirimiti ya ciama ciao cia UDA na ODM kũrutithania wĩra hamwe. Maũndũ marĩa maiguanĩire gũthingata makoretwo magĩakĩrĩria handũ ha gũthira. Ayuthi makĩria nĩ moragĩirwo mĩrũrũngano-inĩ. Akenya makũimwo kĩhoto gĩa gũtabania mĩrũrũngano ya thayũ. Rivoti cia ungumania thirikari-inĩ igathiĩ na mbere na kumbũka. Mawĩra thirikari-inĩ magathiĩ na mbere kũheanwo na kĩmenyano mĩthingi-inĩ ya ũkabira. Mbeca cia mũingĩ igathiĩ na mbere kwanangwo mĩcemanio-inĩ ya kambeini ĩrĩa irananio empowerment. Hamwe na maũndũ mangĩ kĩhĩri, o rĩrĩ Ruto na Raila mathiĩte na mbere kũmatia ndũgũ yao.
A hand applause to the two party leaders.
Thutha wa ngirimiti yao kwaga kũgĩa na umithio igũrũ rĩa maũndũ marĩa maratanga bũrũri gũkinyĩria rĩu, atongoria nĩ mombĩte kamĩtĩ ya andũ 5 arĩa mathukĩirwo wĩra wa gũkinyanĩria ngirimiti ĩyo. Kamĩtĩ ĩyo ĩgũtongorio nĩ seneta wa tene wa gũthukio na kĩama kĩa ODM Agnes Zani, na ĩgũkorwo na amemba angĩ hamwe na mũmbunge wa tene wa kĩama kĩa ODM ũrĩa ũtungataga bunge-inĩ ya Afrika ya irathĩro Fatuma Ibrahim. Amemba angĩ nĩ wakiri na mũthathaũri wa maũndũ megiĩ mwathanĩre Javas Bigambo, mũteteri wa kĩama kĩa ODM nenda-inĩ Gabriel Oguda ũrĩa wanyitĩtwo mĩgwate gacũmbĩrĩ-inĩ ka mĩrũrũngano ya ayuthi ya mwaka mũthiru, hamwe na wakiri kĩama-inĩ kĩa UDA Kelvin Kiarie. Ndũmĩrĩri ya Ruto na Raila yugĩte kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩkũgĩa na cikaro na mũingĩ. Anyiti itemi wabici-inĩ cia thirikari, komishoni cia gĩgatiba, ikundi cia gũtetera ihoto, ikundi cia ndini na ikundi cia ahũri biacara, gũtigĩrĩra ngirimiti ya UDA na ODM nĩ yakinyanĩrio ĩgĩthingataga matanya ma Akenya othe. Kamĩtĩ ĩrĩkinyagĩria Ruto na Raila riboti o thutha wa mĩeri 2 na mũcemanio wa ambunge a UDA na ODM ũrĩtabanagio o thutha wa mĩeri 3. Mũcemanio wa mbere gatagatĩ wa ambunge aya ũgatabanio tarĩki 18 mweri ũyũ. Ruto na Raila moigĩte riboti njitheranu ĩgiĩ ũkinyanĩria wa ngirimiti yao ĩkarekererio kũrĩ mũingĩ tarĩki 7 mweri wa 3 mwaka ũkĩte, arĩrĩo mwaka ũmwe ũgakũngũĩrwo kuma rĩrĩa ngirimiti yekĩrirwo kĩrore.
Tumeweka sahihi.
Kũrĩ na ciũria ciĩgiĩ bata wa kamĩtĩ ĩno o rĩrĩ Raila na Ruto moĩ mathĩna marĩa maratanga bũrũri na matirabatara kamĩtĩ ya kũmathuthuria nĩguo metherwo kĩhonia. Thengia ũguo nĩ gũkoretwo na kamĩtĩ itiganĩte iria ciũmbĩtwo hau kabere ta kamĩtĩ ya NADCO. Ĩndĩ moimĩrĩra ma kamĩtĩ icio matikoretwo na umithio harĩ kũng'ethanĩra na mathĩna marĩa UDA na ODM ĩrethera kĩhonia.
Leo mimi na baba
wa mwanya mĩcemanio ya ambunge a ODM na UDA ĩrĩa ĩravangĩrwo o thutha wa mĩeri 3 ĩroneka arĩ ya gũthiminda ũhiki wa ciama ici cierĩ mwerekera-inĩ wa gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2027. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.
Nĩwe Rigathĩ wa Gachagua augite ati President William Ruto ari na guoko ikundi-inĩ cia itoi iria ikoretwo ikiagagia mabũrũri matiganĩte, kwa muhiano ari gikundi kia itoi kia Al-Shabaab na RSF gia Sudan. Akiuga President Ruto ni agite na mucemanio wa thiri na atongoria a gikundi kia Al-Shabaab mwena wa Mandera. Gitonga wa Wambui no aratuhinyiria ici.
Kuraya na mucie hindi ya giikaro na Kenya aria maikaraga mwena wa Kansas bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika. Mutongoria wa DCP Rigathi wa Gachagua atigite thĩ ng'ima na kimako thutha wa kuuga ati President Ruto akoretwo agicemania na atongoria a gikundi gia itoi kia Al-Shabaab, na oho akiuga ati President no arahũra njeki gikundi gia itoi kia RSF bũrũri-inĩ wa Sudan.
William Ruto, you need to know, the Americans want to know why you are working with Al-Shabaab. Why, when you are in Mandera, you met 3 leaders of the Al-Shabaab militia at night to discuss business with.
Na kuona ikundi ici ikoretwo ikinyarira thĩ ng'ima na makiria mabũrũri maria marigainie, Gachagua oritie bũrũri wa Amerika kũhũra rũcamio President Ruto na njĩra ya kũmũrũgamia ndakanakinyithie magũrũ make tĩri-inĩ wa Amerika, gũkũ akĩmahoya matikaherithia a Kenya nĩ ũndũ wa mĩtugo ya President.
Just do the right thing. Impose sanctions on William Ruto as a person, never to come to America. And I think if he does that, that is our problem. Kenya should not suffer because of one person.
Gachagua oho ni orotete thirikari ya President Ruto ni ciĩko iria ugĩte nĩ cia kwagarara kĩhoto kĩa Kenya, kwa mũhiano arĩ njũragano, ũnyitani wa mĩgwate oro hamwe na ũhũthĩri mũru wa wabici na honge cia ũgitĩri nĩguo kũhahithia mũng'ethanĩro.
You have become the worst violator of human rights in Kenya. Why are you abducting young children? Why are you killing young children? You can play around with people in Kenya, but you cannot play with the American government. They have you on the radar. And the evidence is everywhere.
Na kuona atongoria thirikari-inĩ makoretwo makiuga Gachagua araria matũhũhũ, mwena-inĩ wake ugĩte ũira wa maũndũ maya enaguo we mwene, na oho mawaganu ma thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ ũira mũiganu, akiuga ũira ũcio kũũtemania kũrĩ honge iria ciagĩrĩire.
But the evidence is there. The shoot to kill orders by Kipchumba Murkomen, he cannot deny. Your own order of shooting people in the leg, you cannot deny. So even if you get the PS for Foreign Affairs to issue statements.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, gĩtagwo Gitonga wa Wambui.
Tukitigana riboti ya Gitonga wa Wambui ni ati President William Ruto ni atũgĩrĩtie rũhonge rwa ũkui wa andũ kumana na itemi rĩaguo harĩ ũkũria wa bũrũri. Gĩikaro-inĩ na ũtongoria wa nduthi thingira-inĩ wa iregi, President augĩte andũ a nduthi nĩ manyitire itemi inene ndereti-inĩ ya kũmba thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza, na ũguo mabatie gũtambũrwo kuona nduthi nĩ ciandĩkĩte andũ aingĩ mawĩra.
Kama kuna kiongozi, and I say this without fear of any contradiction, kama kuna kiongozi ambaye amefanya harambee, amesimama na bodaboda, hakuna kiongozi ananishinda katika taifa letu la Kenya. Ni kweli ama si kweli? That is the truth. Na ndio sababu katika uchaguzi uliopita niliinua wanabodaboda mpaka wakakuwa ndani ya conversation ya uchaguzi. Si ndio? Katika uchaguzi iliyopita group mbili zilikuwa katikati ya mambo ya uchaguzi. Bodaboda na mama mboga. Nani ameintroduce bodaboda na mama mboga katika conversation ya taifa letu la Kenya? Si ndio? Na ndio leo hakuna mtu anaweza kutishia biashara ya wanabodaboda. Tunataka tuwe na mpango ambayo mwananchi wa kawaida kwa ile pesa anaweza kufikia, anaweza kuwa na nafasi ya ku-own pikipiki. Hiyo pikipiki ambayo wako nayo Sasa bei yake si 190, bei yake ni 95. Ile 190 imekuja ngapi? 95. Simeteremka chini by half. Deposit sio 70,000. Deposit ni 9,500. Mnanielewa? Malipo ya kila siku sio 500, ni 180. Kwa sababu sasa tukishakubaliana na hawa, mimi pia nitaenda bunge niondoe ile ushuru ambayo bado iko. Ndio. Na hiyo ushuru pengine itapunguza hii pikipiki by another maybe 10,000 ikuje chini. Tumekubaliana?
Anatagetigana riboti yo igi ukui wa nduthi ni ati umuthi kuri na ngucanio igiri cia mbitika cia CHAN kiharo-ini gia Kasarani na Nyayo guku mucii wa Nairobi, na timu ya Harambee Stars matanyitwo guthaka ngucanio ya keri ya gikundi na Angola. Ngucanio ino ya Stars irathakirwo kiharo-ini gia Kasarani, na kuo Nyayo DR Congo megukorwo na bururi wa Zambia. Mwandiki witu Gishimu Joseph ari barabara-ini nene ya Thika, reke tunyitanire nake ati tutaririe mbere ya mbitika ino yetereirwo niki kiragithi na mbere mwena ucio. Gishimu, angikorwo ni uranyamukira, mwaro ni waku.
Thagio muno ikua mwena ucio ngi wa studio na hatiri undu ta nganja tukiri guku mwena wa Kasarani tondu muthenya wa umuthi ni muthenya munene kuri bururi wa Kenya oro ndumwe na timu ya bururi ya Harambee Stars ni undu wa ngucanio yao ya keri ya gikundi kia kuria megukorwo magicemania na timu ya bururi wa Angola thiini wa kiharo gia Kasarani. Na ndagika ino ndugamite thiini wa muthunguko wa Kasarani umanite na Thika, muthunguko wa kumana Nairobi, kumana na kuria Kahawa West, na ningi kumana na guku mwena wa Mweki. Ndugamite thiini wa muthunguko uyu ane haria mashabiki maragithie na mbere na kwihariria ni undu wa kuingira kiharo thiini wa ngucanio ya thaa imwe cia hwaini wa muthenya wa umuthi. Ndire waika ndina mashabiki mokire tene, ndamakora mahurukite na marauga ati no metereire ngucanio. Ngwenda twaranirie nao kwa dakika imwe, labda tuanze na majina, na ulikuja saa ngapi? Unatarajia mambo gani katika mechi ya leo kati ya Kenya na Angola?
Kwa majina naitwa Sharon. Nilikuja hapa kitu saa 4. Tunangojea timu ianze kucheza kati ya Harambee Stars na Angola, na tunatarajia matokeo mazuri. Kenya hope tutawin.
Ungetaka kuambia mashabiki nini ambao hawajaanza safari? Wewe ulikuja hapa mapema sana.
Kwa mashabiki wa Kenya nawaambia mjaribu kuja mapema ili tuweze kushangilia timu yetu ya Kenya.
Na jezi naona umejibaba vilivyo.
Nimejibaba vilivyo na jezi yangu, ndio mjue kwa mimi ni shabiki.
Una predict game itaisha namna gani? Leo wachezaji unaona kama watapewa 2 million? 1 million.
Vile naona Kenya watie bidii, kwa maana unajua ile last time venye walicheza ile 1 million iliwatia nini motisha, ndio maana wakapata result nzuri. Yes. So I don't know if kama wamepromisiwa chochote this time round.
Watapewa 1 million in case watashinda game ya leo. Na sasa nataka tu bet na wewe unaona mabao mangapi kwa mangapi?
Mabao 2 kwa nunge.
Kwa nunge. Yeah. Mimi naona Kenya ikiwin na mabao 2-1. Wewe umesema 2?
2 nunge.
Tumebet sasa. Acha nisikize ndugu yangu hapa, naona amejitayarisha vilivyo pia. Usiende. Tuanze na majina. Game ya leo unaiona namna gani?
Kwa majina naitwa Abubakar. Leo nimetokezea hapa Kasarani kwenda kushabikia timu yangu na taifa yangu, ambao natarajia mazuri kutoka katika wenzetu wanayetupresent pale katika hii chanzo cha CHAN, na tunatarajia mengi kutoka kwao. Kenye mimi nitasema kuhusu wachezaji ni wajitokeze, wakuje pamoja, tuache kuweka akili yetu na pesa kwanza, tupresent taifa yetu kwa sababu ndio mali tunazaliwa na mali tunatoka.
So wewe unasema wachezaji wachezee badge, wasichezee pesa pekee yake?
Kwa upande wangu mimi ningesema wangecheza vile wana present taifa lao. Ni mali tumetoka, ni nyumbani. Tukiweka mambo na pesa inamaanisha tukipigwa tutakuwa na akili ya kusema tulipoteza pesa. So mimi nasema tutapiganie na tupate ile pesa kama itapatikana vile kiongozi alielezea, but tuweke taifa letu mbele kuliko pesa.
Prediction yako ya game ya leo kati ya Kenya, Harambee Stars na Angola?
Natarajia pale Angola na Kenya tutapiga bao moja.
Bao moja kwa nunge?
Kwa nunge.
Asante sana. Na wakiiguira uria maundu makihana no amwe a mashabiki aria magikinyitie na ndakwira kwina riua na matiraigua guoya wa riua, matirareigua metereire ngucanio no ya Kenya na Angola ni ya thaa imwe, mauga meguikara nginya mirango ihingurwo nigetha makorwo makiingira. Na ngigucokia studio kiririkane kwina mitaratara mieru ningi iria iragikorirwo ikigathikwo. Ririkane mubira wa muthenya wa kiumia ni twakorirwo tugika mahitia na CAF reu ne horete fine bururi wa Kenya ya shiringi milioni 2.5 ni undu wa mashabiki gukorwo makiumbanirira thiini wa gate, andu a mabururi ma nanja kwaga kuheo mieke ya kuingira haria mabatie gukorwo makiingira na maundu mangi magitiganite. Koguo muthenya wa umuthi CAF ne yugite bado no megukorwo mari maitho mitaratara yothe a Kenya makorwo makirumirira. Uririkana gutire kuingira na kindu, gutire kuingira na dramu iria tukihuraga ngucanio cia guku bururi-ini, no ne weingire wekuwete wega ni undu wa ngucanio ya umuthi na yagithiririkira tugikorwo tukitanya ati timu ni kuhota. Waku ikuwa gucokie mwena wa studio tuguthio na mbere tukigiranaga na mashabiki na ningi kumenya muthenya wa umuthi ukihana atia na ne gatagati ka wiki no ni mambereirie kwiyumiria. Nie njitagwo Gicimo Joseph kuma guku mwena wa Kasarani. Eti yakwa kana prediction yakwa Harambee Stars 1 na ningi kwa Angola mage kindu no mathie kabatikua.
Ngatho Gicimo ndirakwamukira wega ndakiigua kiigirira bet yaku ndakiona muiritu hau nake ni akiigirira na angikorwo ni wakiuga ni imwe reke tukigerie na ningiuge ni imwe kwa imwe tukionekana ni megwikua ciringi nuthu milioni o mundu. Rinda ikeno njitikiria twambe tuikirie nitugucokereria thutha wa ndagika citari kuraya.
Apostle Julius Subi of Exploits Worship Center invites to the 21st edition of the Heavens Fire Prayer Summit 2025, beginning on the 6th to the 10th of August, themed Transformational Revival. It is an annual convergence of God's army and will take place at Uhuru Park, Nairobi, Kenya from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. The guest ministers, Pastor Robert Kayanja, Archbishop Harrison Nganga, Prophet Cindy Jacobs, Dr. Francis Miles, Lady Bishop Kathy Kiona, and Reverend Jenny Mock. Worship ministers Chris Shalom and Kestin Bogo, Kenya. For more information, call the number 0723-689-745. This is an appointed time for God's visitation. Don't miss out.
There's a kind of bank assurance intermediary that really allows you to relax because you know you'll be good. That's Coop Bank Assurance Intermediary for you. Get covered real good through Coop Bank Assurance Intermediary.
Guess what? Citizen Duke now delivers. Get amazing discount on your favorite essentials and have them brought straight to your doorstep, all for just 200 shillings delivery fee. Go to citizenduca.com, select the product you want, pay, and we'll handle the rest.
Citizen Duca, the home of discount.
Ni uretha mabati mena hinya magemu na makwihokwo makugita nyumba yaku ndugethe kungitiga guku Heritage Mabati Mills tuthondekaga mabati ma gutura magemu na mathogora mubashirire ta box profile, brick tile, roman tile, stone coated na mangi maingi. Twina discounts utangiona kundu kungi, mitaratara mihuthu ya marihi undu mwe na kuriha kahora kahora na installments huthu. Oho ni tukurehagira mabati na ruwa na mituki uri haria hothe uri guothe bururi-ini na ihinda ria mathaa 72 na meri. Tuhurire thimu 0746 667 456 kana utusherere Thika Road exit 13. Heritage Mabati Mills, the proof is on the roof.
Siku njema huonekana asubuhi.
Kabisa Anuari amangana gao. Seti him.
Chamige, we museo.
Kenya nzima tunasema jambo Kenya.
Wax, tiki, taka, twende sana my people.
Hapa ndo nyumbani kwa muziki wa Afrika Mashariki na malezi ya vipaji.
Sasa tuko tayari ku drive on.
Mibibi na mijize, leteni porojo sasa.
Kwa habari za kuaminika kutoka kila pembe ya nchi.
Are you ready? Leo kati ya Ingwe na Gor Serikali. Hapa ndio home. Wawa. Radio Citizen. Radio number 1. Radio number 1.
Introducing Wigo, your trusted ride. The ride with the most reliable, verified, efficient and transparent drivers. With fabulous cashback incentives for passengers, each trip on Wigo feels like an upgrade. Download Wigo from Play Store or App Store or SMS Wigo to 20425 and ride with confidence. Wigo, let's go.
Ukira we na muoroto bururi utanaihura inegene na matuhuhu tukamurika maria marakunuka kumuramura magatheti rucini ni kwa mwanya ngindiriku na nditigaga kuria niki gitumi twarahukaga na ciuria iria igukoniye we
kuringana nawe thayo ugaga niki hindi ya gwako muci
kuma uteti
public participation yagirwo ni gwikwo mbere
masani medagio through the government license iheanagwo through the government
family
micie eragwo nigikwo ni ndogo
ona aria mari kihiko-ini ndagika ino ni aramenya haria muigwa wake uri no ningi muigwa ucio ni kurutwo rutagwo
ugima wa mwiri
miaka ndingituma magego maku maume giko nikio gituma
datio iriaga irio kiria kiriaga irio ni cells cia mundu
wa gatano naguo ni ihinda rikuranĩire wega ria kurora maria mari thiini wa mithako
aria cia karate tumenya ararĩrĩria uhoro wa muthako uriku tutikone taekwondo thiini wa karate ria araria na tutikone judo thiini wa muthako
inoro rucini o muthenya kwambĩrĩria thinacara nginya thaa 3 cia rucini.
We tayari gwikorea wothe ngukwira wiki Diridi ni gwikorea urenda tugatuka over excited
no kinya korone ubito toro na shira nduramu makia.
Happy birthday my Rava, happy birthday. Kamudo ewa nate agashokia kadi wa mugurire
Nigatho mwiroreri-ini twacokereria ikereka ringi nigetha tukorwo tugithi na mbere na maria tukiri namo thiini wa studio cia Inoro TV. Na tugithi na mbere ni ati ministry ya githomo ni yathite maabitha a umenyereri wa barabara nio NTSA majiririo rio firigiceni ya gwethana na bathi cia thukuru iria iragarara watho na ukorwo itari thabari-ini thinacara ya hwaini ya kinya kuhitukira ndomereri iria irutitwo ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino niwe Julius Bitok watho uyu wahitukitio niguo kugitira arutwo na nikieha kuona kuri na matereba matararumirira watho uyu na makiria makauhuthia. Na tukitigana na icio ni ati arutani aria mari rungu rwa ngwataniro ya arutani rwa KUPPET mokiriire atongoria ao thiini wa county itiganite bururi-ini makiuga marekwa maehereirio kana marario heheto ni thirikari nene niguo kuhitukia ngirimiti ya nyongerera ya mishara ya mwaka wa 2025 nginyagia 2029 gikaro-ini na andiki ya mohoro tauni-ini ya Nyeri. Arutani ya maugite ngirimiti ino iri na thina kuona marongoreirie mbeca na kinyorori guku makiuga utungata wao wa insurance ya ugima wa mwiri ndurabatara wira no ningi gutiri allowance ona iriku maracemania nayo. Thauri wa Mbogo nowe uri na riboti ino.
Arutani ameba agwataniro ya KUPPET kuma kaunti ya Mombasa nimeyumiretie na kumenereria ngirimiti ya nyongerera ya mishara iria iriga kurekererio ni thirikari makiuga mbeca iria mongereirwo cironania thirikari ndiri na mubango o wothe wa kwagirithia wira wa arutani.
Kuna mwalimu ambaye alipata zaidi ya 1000. Tunataka KUPPET watuambie, KUPPET National bwana Misori, tunakuuliza hivi, ulituongeza nini kwa sababu hatujapata?
It is shameful that you add a teacher 700, then you deduct it to 400. What is that? And the media tells us that teachers go to the bank all the way smiling. Smiling with 400? That's a joke.
Mathiete na mbere kuga mubango wao wa urigiti utwikite wa tuhu kuona ona hindi iria marwara matiteithikaga mathibitari-ini.
When we go to the hospital, personally, the cover doesn't cover my specs. They only say that they are only covering normal specs. Where do I go to? Where do I go to get these specs? These specs that I'm wearing, they are not covered by Minet.
And what we need is an overhaul of the medical scheme so that we can eliminate the bureaucracy that we are going through.
Why do you have to give a teacher a limit that when I go to a hospital, I'm told if I do a test, I will not be given drugs?
Tunasumbuana hapa na Minet kila siku. Tunataka hii Minet kuja wazi. Together with MAKL consortiums, watuambie kwa nini walimu wakienda hospitali zetu hapati matibabu.
We are being deducted for the same. The question is, why are we begging for services that we are rightfully supposed to receive?
Oho ni marendekithia atongoria ao matige wira makiuga ni maramahinyiriria.
We need to wipe the office and get leaders who can work with us as a PWD, as a person living with disability, and as a teacher. We have also been left behind. Nobody is listening to us.
These people have been in office for long. They have got no exchange of, no idea of what teachers are going through. If I was to be told today to give an immediate reformer, can we have term limit for these people? They serve us within 2 terms, they go home.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku Mombasa, ni njĩtagwo Francis Madi.
Ni ngatho mwiroreri wi othiete na mbere gutwarana na ithuĩ na riu tukiuma icio ono kono tugicokereria kurora cia KUPPET mwena ungi ni ati mwago wa M-Pesa sokoni urikitie kana urikite thiko-ini ya 29 umuthi muthafara uyu hukiamba hema matura-ini ma Kayole Mwiki na Githurai onyitanĩri-inĩ na kambuni ya Royal Media Services. Safaricom irakũngũĩra mĩaka 18 ya utungata mũkaru bũrũri-inĩ. Tũnyitanĩre na mwandĩki witũ Steve Shitera atũtarĩria harĩa mwago ũyũ ũkinyĩte. Shitera, kama unanipokea kwa njia inayofaa, aweza kutuambia mahali mmefika na kipi kinachoendelea mahali ulipo?
Moshi, bila shaka lugha yangu ya Kikuyu nitaisanifisha, na kesho ninakuahidi kwamba nitapeperusha matangazo haya moja kwa moja kwa lugha hiyo ya Kikuyu. Lakini kumbuka kwamba msafara huu wa M-Pesa sokoni umeshatoka hapa Mwiki unaelekea Githurai kwa shamra za kuadhimisha miaka 18 ya huduma za M-Pesa nchini, huduma ambazo wanasema zimebadilisha kabisa jinsi miamala ya kifedha inavyofanyika kwenye simu, Kumbuka kwamba mambo mengi tu yamebadilika, si kama pale jadi, na kwamba sherehe hizo zinaendelea. Kumbuka kwamba leo ni siku ya 29 ya sherehe hizo ambazo zilianza mapema mwezi jana kwa minajili tu ya kuwahusisha wateja wa Safaricom katika shughuli za kusherehekea miaka hiyo 18. Hapa niko na msimamizi tu mmoja kutoka Safaricom wa huduma mbalimbali za Safaricom. Atueleze tu msafara umekuwa aje kufika hapa Mwiki na ukielekea Githurai.
Thabarĩ itũ ĩkoretwo njega mũno, nĩ tũkĩrĩirwo kĩroko tene twanjĩrĩria thabarĩ itũ kũrĩa Kayole, twacoka tuoka nginya gũkũ Mwiki, na nĩ twakĩcemania na andũ aingĩ na twarĩkanĩra na andũ aingĩ mũno na rĩu nĩ twahingũra nduka nene mũno mwena ũyũ wa Mwiki haha mbere, nigetha turehe mahũthĩro tuhote kũmũteithia mwĩ hakuhĩ. Rĩu mahitaji manyu mothe marĩa mũkũbatara, nduka itũ ĩ harĩa nene mũno, nĩ mũgũthiĩ hau na nĩ mũgũteithĩka. Na rĩu kuma haha tũgũcoka tũthiĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Githurai nigetha tuendelee na maũndũ maya ma Safaricom.
Watu wanasema vipi wale mmekutana nao kwa ground?
Andũ gũkũ nĩ andũ akenu, nĩ tondũ nĩ tũrathiũrũrũka tũkĩnengeranaga indo cia gũteithia biashara, tũkahakikisha nĩ tũramuonia maũndũ marĩa twĩnamo merũ, mũndũ no ahote kũikia mbeca kũrĩa akaunti-inĩ M-Pesa-inĩ yake na ĩna maũndũ maingĩ merũ, no ũhote gũikia product-inĩ ingĩ twĩnacio ĩmwe ĩragũteithia kuona interest o mũthenya ĩtagwo Zidi, twĩna ĩngĩ ĩtagwo Pochi, waikia mbeca harĩ ũguo ciraingĩra akaunti-inĩ yaku na nĩ ũkũhota kũmanage akaunti yaku kuma hau wega na ndĩ na thĩna ona ũrĩkũ. Twĩna maũndũ mangĩ ma gũgũteithia gũkomba, wakĩenda rĩu gũkomba mbeca nĩgetha wendelee gũkũrithia biashara yaku, icio twĩnacio product icio. Twĩna maũndũ mangĩ ma insurance magũgũkava we wĩika na bado na biashara yaku. Koguo maũndũ nĩ maingĩ mo, twana tũgĩthiũrũrũka gũkũ mũgoka mũgatũthikĩrĩria, mũgacemania na andũ arĩa othe twĩnao, mũkoria ciũria nyingĩ na nĩ tũkũhota gũmũcokeria ciũria icio na gũcoka maũndũ ma kũmũteithia nĩ maingĩ.
Asante sana, bila shaka umemsikia hapo akiweza kukueleza tu umuhimu wa M-Pesa na umuhimu wa Safaricom kwa jumla. Kwa hivyo msafara unatoka hapa unaelekea Githurai. Watu wa Githurai 44 na 45, zamu ni yenyu. Bila shaka kutoka Mwiki sina la ziada. Mboshi.
Asante sana Bwana Shitera kwa taarifa mufti ambao umeweza kutuandalia. Na tugithie na mbere ni ati na kwa kaunti ya Mombasa ameba akupet marauga tia kenu na girimiti ino amwe makugeirio wara nyongerera-ini ya mishara. Arutania marauga girimiti ino ndira maruboia makaya mao makiuga ona atongoria ao mafatie kwehera wabici-ini.
Wa arutani kuoneka ta wahorera thutha wa gwĩkĩranĩra ngirimiti na TSC ya mwaka wa 2025-2029. Rĩu arutani a ngwatanĩro ya KUPPET nĩmeyumĩrĩtie na gũkũmithia atongoria ao, makiuga nĩ maramũkĩrire ngungo nĩguo kũmĩhĩtũkia matakũrũmbũiya makaya ma arutani o ta ũrĩa mekire rĩrĩa kwarĩ na mĩrũrũngano.
Mũgomo ũcio the national office manire mũgomo ũcio gũtarĩ na ceremony. Toga suspect kũrĩ na back deals irathie na mbere na kuria wabici-ini in our national office. Na we are not surprised. Na no njende arutani othe a Kenya mamenye twathurire atongoria aitu nigetha matutetagire. They are supposed to agitate, advocate na negotiate for better terms of working for the teachers. Na nituoneta maundu macio ni mariganĩirwo.
Hamwe na ũguo makiuga ũtungata wao wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ũrĩ hatĩka-inĩ kuona gũtirĩ na insurance ĩrĩa marengagwo ĩraruta wĩra. Gũkũ makiuga gũtirĩ rĩendekithia ona rĩrĩkũ rĩa allowance rĩkinyanĩirio kũringana na ũrĩa maiguithanĩirie.
Rĩngĩ kinya ũgathiĩ ũkerwo atĩrĩrĩ, we are not working, atĩ tũtiroyo ya mwarimũ na hĩndĩ wĩra-inĩ na andũ nĩ wĩrire mwarimũ atĩ ndĩrahũthĩra insurance. That embarrassment the teacher must stop, and our union must take our health very serious. Number 2, still on health. Thibitari ici igĩthurwo rĩ, arimũ makoragwo ku. Tondũ nĩ ndĩrathondekwo na nĩ mbeca ciakwa mũndinĩtie. No mothe gũthura thibitari rĩ, there is no way I am involved.
Arutani aya arĩa nĩ a mathekondarĩ na junior secondary makiuga matirakena nĩ ũrĩa job groups ibangĩtwo kuona arutani amwe magũtũra ngathĩ ĩmwe kwa ihinda gũkũ, makiuga marendaga job group C4 yeherio.
Andũ raikara mĩaka ĩtatũ wambe ũtamaki kuma uma college wandĩkwo na mĩaka 30 ucoke uthie job group icio ciothe nĩ 10 o handũ mĩaka 3 minimum. ukirikia gukinya chief principal ni miaka 60 na gutire hindu thiaga automatic no kinya ikare more than 3 years nikio turauga uri mwarimu wa Kenya ndagika ino no uthire gutwikira chief principal matuine na riu andu aria twandikire matwerire matutetagira na maundu macio uhoro ucio ni matiganeirie.
Handu-ini Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Njita Theuri wa Bogo.
Ngatho Theuri wa Bogo. Na tugithina mbere ni ati kamiti ya bunge igie kigina kia muingi irahunga mahuri mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya kigina Chris Kipto na mwandiki ministry-ini ya umemerekia Joseph Tanui iguru rigi ungumania uria utambiirio ruhonge-ini rwa eCitizen kurumira ripoti ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari. Ketwambe tuthikiririe tuigue kiria kirathie na mbere mwena ucio.
In annex number 7 A and annex number 7 Roman 7 B, you can see all the details in the attachment given. The analysis also indicates collections for each agency. And then I now move to the item that you sought from us on analysis of all government services onboarded and those not onboarded to the system. And we wish to respond as follows: that the total number of identified services is 25,604, out of which 21,685 have been onboarded. And as detailed in the screenshot that you see there, which I believe the team from Israel Directorate can actually give us more. They can expound more on this screenshot. I now move to the specific responses to paragraphs that were identified from the special audit report of the Auditor General on Government Digital Payments Platform. And I go to 3.8.2. Here the auditor had asked that ICTA in 2023 entered into the eCitizen platform support and maintenance framework contracting agreement with MS Webmaster Kenya Limited in consortium with PesaFlow Limited and Olive Tree Media Limited. According to the agreement, the government of Kenya was to pay the vendor for support and maintenance, standardization of the system, and provision of the payment gateway service. The total payments as of 30th June 2024 amounted to 492,162,940 shillings and US dollars 414,299.60 and was paid to the company named Electronic Citizen Solutions Limited, which was not party to the agreement. This arrangement exposes the government to potential legal dispute that might arise from payment to third parties to the contract. Honourable members, we would like to respond as follows. The contractual agreement between the vendor and the ICT authority gave guidance as to the payment terms as stipulated in clause 6 of the contract. The authority continued to engage the vendor, webmaster, and consortium of PesaFlow Limited and Olive Tree Media. The Directorate of Citizen Services took over the eCitizen platform operation in July 2024, after which a contract innovation was initiated indicating the introduction of the Electronic Citizen Services, that's ECS, and its role within the consortium. The contract innovation outlines the responsibilities of all the service providers under the governance of the ECS. And I refer members to Annex 3B, Annex Roman 3B. I now move to the other paragraph, 3.83 in the auditor's report. And in this, the auditor report reads as follows, but that further, out of the total payment under the contract, a total of 142,162,940 shillings and 414,209 US dollars and 60 cents was for provision of payment gateway services. These payments were deemed as irregular, as the government should not pay for use of a system it owns. And our response is as follows: that the government does not possess ownership of the payment gateway. The contract explicitly covered the cost of utilizing the payment gateway as a service, and all agreed upon terms were fulfilled. I refer members to Annex 3, Clause 6.1, Roman 3, that focuses on the maintenance and support contract. Item number 386, the auditor report reads as follows: that it was established that the Equity Bank statements for e-citizens collection accounts had received amounting to 68,719,877 shillings and $48,142, $48,142,844 from an undisclosed account named PesaFlow, as shown in Table 7. This account was not listed among the approved collection accounts by the National Treasury. In this regard, it was used to irregularly collect money. And the table is shown that shows the amount for fiscal year 2020-21, 2021-22, fiscal year 22-23, and fiscal year 23-24. Our response is as follows: that the two accounts in Kenya shillings and US dollar were agency accounts opened by PesaFlow at Equity Bank for revenue collection. However, PesaFlow continued to remit the collected revenue to the collection account held at Equity Bank, including the 68,719,877 shillings and 18 cents and 48,142,843 US dollars and 58 US cents mentioned in the table above. What a letter was written to Equity Bank Limited requesting the details of the agency accounts and gave instructions to freeze the said account. And we have provided that letter, reference AG/Conf/17/1/7, Volume 2, Subsection 50, dated 15 March 2023, and given here as Annex Roman 8. The other question that the auditor asked is on paragraph 3.810, which says all collections paid using pay bill number 22222 were expected to be auto-transferred to the settlement account held at KCB Bank. However, a review of the 22222 pay bill statement revealed that on 25th January 2024, there were 4 transactions made from the pay bill to private entities instead of designated collection account. The 4 transactions amounted to 127,850,950 shillings. Approval and documentation to support this transfer of money directly from the pay bill to private entities were not provided for audit. This is against Article 201 of the Principles of Public Finance that requires public funds to be used in a prudent and responsible way. We wish to respond as follows: that in 2015, Webmaster Kenya Limited entered into a private subcontracting agreement with Gold Rock Limited for the management of revenue, settlement, and reconciliation pertaining to the e-citizen platform. Subsequently, in 2017, the National Treasury assumed the direct responsibility for this function. Gold Rock Limited consequently initiated legal proceedings contending wrongful termination from its contractual obligation. This legal action resulted in the court ordering freezing of a convenience fee amounting to 127,850,950 shillings held at the Safaricom pay bill number 206206, which was later transferred to pay bill 22222 in January 2023. To facilitate the comprehensive onboarding of all government services, the government opted to resolve the litigation out of court. The consent agreement required that the 127,850,950 shillings be remitted to the vendors as final settlement. As per the letter reference AG/CAR/MS/11/17, Volume 2, which is annexed here as Annex IX, that is Roman 9A and Roman 9B. I now move to item number 3.8.11. That's paragraph 3.8.11 in the auditor's report, which says, during the audit,
riboti ĩyo nĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩmĩrũmĩrĩra na njĩra nyandandũku tũkorwo tũkĩigua mũtambo ũyũ wa eCitizen ũrĩa ũragĩtuĩka kwĩna mamirioni maingĩ ma mbeca makiũrĩte na mategũkoretwo makĩingĩra thirikari-inĩ kũrĩa ikoretwo igĩthiĩ. Nĩ tũkũrũmanĩrĩra na riboti ĩno mohoro-inĩ marĩa mangĩ mekũrũmĩrĩra. Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩrekereirie ciringi bilioni 4.6 mbeca cia andũ akũrũ, ciana cia ngoriai na arĩa marĩ na mawathe arĩa matakoretwo makĩamũkĩra mbeca ici kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 2. O nĩ kũringana na mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya wĩra rungu rwa tabarĩra ya Inua Jamii niwe Joseph Motari akiuga kĩgĩna gĩkĩ gĩgũkinyĩra andũ milioni 1.1. Motari augĩte kĩgĩna gĩkĩ kĩracereirwo nĩ ũndũ wa gũthũka kwa mĩtambo ĩrĩa ĩtũmaga mbeca na oho rĩrarĩ ihinda rĩa kũrũga mwaka wa kĩgĩna. Arĩa mataramũkĩrĩte mbeca ici mekorwo rĩu makĩamũkĩra ciringi 4,000.
Ile pesa ya wazee, pesa ya walemavu na pia pesa ile ya watoto. Nitaeleza kwa nini ya watoto ambayo hatukuwa tumelipa mwezi uliopita, mwezi wa Juni ama mwezi wa 6, kwa sababu tulikuwa tunatengeza mitambo zetu hakikisha kwamba wale ambao tunalipa kwa kweli ni watu ambao wako hai na watu ambao ambao ni wanahitaji kwa kweli, wale wa chini kabisa katika jamii yetu.
Sisi ni cia kumutethia guteithia korwaitu na andu arĩa mena mawathe ona ciana cia ndigwa cihote kũgĩa na maisha mega ma ũhoro wa kũkita for the basic needs, irio, ũhoro wĩgiĩ ndawa, maũndũ ta mau, na kũrĩ ciana ithomithagio na mbeca ici. Koguo nĩ tũroiga nĩ tũgũthiĩ na mbere tũkĩmaheaga
korwo rĩrĩ ikinya rĩega rĩa akũrũ gũkorwo makĩamũkĩra kĩgĩna gĩkĩ. Nĩ kũrĩ ingĩ mũno ikoragwo gĩkĩmateithia na rĩu megũkorwo makĩamũkĩra ciringi 4,000. Ĩndĩ tũgĩtigana na riboti ĩyo reke twambe tũikĩria o hanini, ĩndĩ twacokereria tũrĩ ona mangĩ maingĩ marĩa tũgũkorwo tũkĩmũrĩka.
Mabati Factory, kambuni nguthi ĩrĩa ĩhotanĩire harĩ uthondeki wa mabati gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Rĩu nĩ mokĩte na wathi mwerũ marĩ na mabati ma kĩrĩu mathondeketwo na ikĩro cia igũrũ. Ĩndĩ nĩ matigagĩrĩra mũciĩ waku nĩ wagĩa na riri wa mwanya. Endia megatũ a Ruiru Mabati nĩ makũheaga specialized service ũgathondekerwo mabati kũringana na mũigana, design kana rangi ũrĩa ũgũkenagia, ũkagĩa na nyũmba kĩrorerwa na thogora mũbacĩrĩre. Waigĩrĩra order yaku ũgagũkuĩra mũrigo nginyagia site yaku in 72 hours. Cera wabici citũ Ruiru Town, ningĩ no ũhũre thimũ 0111 050 700.
Muri wega, njĩtagwo Ngugi Mũtereba na nguaga na matatũ cia Juja Farm. Na rĩu mũthenya ũmwe ndĩwĩra nĩ ndacemanirie na andũ a Bahari maumĩte gũtwara andũ saiti. Ngĩmoria kaĩ mũkĩna mĩgũnda na gũkũ, makĩnjĩra atĩ nĩ ndakĩrĩ na thirĩ, makĩndirĩra namba yao. Na ndathiĩ ngĩmahũre makĩnjĩra njere wabici-inĩ ciao. Na rĩrĩa ndathire kũu ngĩigua ndakena mũno, ngĩona kĩoneki gĩakwa na kĩroto gĩakwa gĩa kwĩgwatĩra gaburoti ngĩta gakwa nĩ gakinyanĩra. Tondũ nĩ maheire payment plan njega ya kũrĩha o kahora o kahora.
O nawe no igwate broti goko Juja na thogora wa 499,000. Broti ici tukuirigire nĩ kĩngĩ cia concrete, twagũtũmĩra barabara wega na cine gataitũ kamwe. Tuhũrĩre thimũ namba 0704 000 111 kana tũcere Kamakis Naivas Building, 3rd floor, office number 27. Bahari Homes, twĩ sawa.
Have you figured out a vacation plan for the kids for the August school holiday? Treat them to an unforgettable 2-night bush safari with View Travel, where adventure meets family bonding. Head to the legendary Masai Mara from just 19,450 Kenya shillings in a van or 23,000 Kenya shillings in a Land Cruiser. Or go wild in Samburu, 2 nights from just 37,100 Kenya shillings in a Land Cruiser. Our Samburu departures are fixed for 8th to 10th and 29th to 31st August. All packages include accommodation, meals, game drives, and endless memories. Changamka, slots are filling fast. Book now and pay in installments with our Lipa Pole Pole plan. Visit viewtravel.com or call 0703 254 254. View Travel. Dream, explore, discover.
Nĩ ũrenda kũgũra macini cia kũrĩma, irio cia mahiũ na indo cia ũrĩmi? Nĩ ũrenda gwakĩra ngũkũ ciaku, wake cold rooms kana indo ingĩ ikonainie na ũrĩmi? Wĩna security ya logbook kana title deed, nĩ tũrakũhe ngombo gũtwarithia ũrĩmi waku na mbere. Ngombo citũ ciumaga na ihenya na tũthondekete ngombo ũrĩa cikũingĩrana na mabataro maku. Hũra 0700 600 900 kana wandĩke SMS ĩna kiugo loan kũrĩ 23083 o apply o rĩu. Progressive Credit, taking every step with you. Nĩ ĩramatagwo nĩ Central Bank of Kenya.
Ugenda kwegera rwimbo ruru muthenya no ugakia thiini wa thimu yaku taskiza hinya *860 *411# no ririkane Inoro ni mucie wa aini othe.
Muno atia ithuĩ tũragĩcemania rita rĩa mbere harĩ we nĩ rita rĩa mbere no ningĩ harĩ niĩ nĩ maita maingĩ mũno.
Wait a minute.
Interest yetu from 9% ni pocket friendly. Na uko na time kulipa mortgage yako with our up to 25-year repayment period. It's time to jenga your dreams with KCB Affordable Mortgage. KCB, for people, for better.
Ngatho mwiroreri withiete na mbere gutwarana na ithuĩ nĩtwacokereria ikereka rĩrĩ na ikereka rĩa muthia rĩa mohoro maitũ ma Inoro mĩaraho ĩndĩ ndĩrenda gũcokia kũrĩa bunge-inĩ ya gĩbũrũri kũrĩa ndereti na kũrĩ andũ makinyĩtio kuo atongoria maigana ũna arĩa magĩkinyĩtio nĩ ũndũ wa kwarĩrĩria na kũũrio ciũria cikĩgĩmainie na mũtambo ũyũ wa eCitizen ũrĩa ũrekĩrĩrio kana ũrekĩrĩrwo ciũria cia kũrĩa mbeca ikoretwo igĩthiĩ. Ririkana nĩ mũtambo wa kĩambĩrĩirie hau kuma wĩna mĩaka karũndo kuma mwaka wa 2013 na yakĩrĩ kwendekithio gwa president nĩgetha kĩgĩna gĩothe gĩgakorwo gĩkĩgera hau kĩa motungata ma mũingĩ. No rĩu nĩ kũragĩtuĩkire na kũrerĩkana kwĩna mbeca ikoretwo ikĩũra na itirakorwo igĩkinya harĩa ciagĩrĩire na arĩa makĩrĩ bunge nĩ hĩndĩ maragĩcokia ciũria icio. Njĩtĩkĩria niĩ tũrĩcemania rĩngĩ ciarĩkia kwĩhanda thaa 10 mohoro-inĩ ma matemo ma Inoro. Agĩa na wĩroreri mwega, nyambe ngũcokie kũrĩa bunge.
We have further fraudulent queries based on submission. We can be able to invite the witnesses back here, Chair. Given that also we are supposed to be at the chamber by 2:30 p.m. Thank you very much, Chair.
No, we don't want second. You want to question? Yes, Nani?
I want to agree with my colleague who has already stated, because, Chair, this is a very weighty matter. And we are interacting with this response now The attachments or annexes have been just brought to us. It was practically impossible to review or peruse the annexes as the PS was making the presentation. We would request your indulgence and the indulgence of the three PSs. You allow us to do a God's work by going through this response, looking at the auditor's report, your annexes, and looking at the past reports in respect of this matter to enable us do justice to this report. Indeed, there are too many issues that requires thorough interrogation. Thank you, Chair.
Chairman, can I?
Yes, Naisula.
Thank you, Chairman, and thank you, PS, for your detailed presentation. And I'm sure you have seen the interest that this matter has generated in the country. And it's a matter that keeps recurring. I think it was in the Senate as a question or a statement. This committee, PAC, is committed to put this matter to rest once and for all. So I would beg for the same indulgence that you give us time to go and read and interrogate so that when you come here, we have meaningful deliberations.
Chair, according myself to what my colleagues have said, there are a number of issues that with the time constraint would not be able to help the country and help even the departments so that they can move forward. Number one, Chair, there are other issues that have risen out of the audit report that we need to put into perspective together with this response. Secondly, Chair, you know very well, this e-citizen issue has even a component of the education issue that has been lingering. And we would want to use this opportunity to help the country move forward on this issue. So, Chair, I will seek your indulgence in rescheduling the engagement with the three PSS to a date where we'll be available so that we can engage conclusively, objectively, and help this country.
Chair, I'll be very proposal to adjourn, given that we've been sitting since morning, and considering the bulkness of the report and the weightiness of the matter, we need more time for scrutiny so that we can do justice on this issue of e-citizen. Thank you.
Thank you, Chair. While I support the adjournment motion laid here, I feel that the responses on the preliminary are not sufficient. I would ask that the PS does a better job, arms himself with proper information. For example, there's been a question raised on what has happened between the staggered payment and the fixed pay of 50 bob. He's only given us a letter asking the vendor to implement. He's not shown us the responses to it and whether the responses to how to take that money to the people who it was where it came from. Number two, we are talking about many other things like the exchange rate and how money was exchanged from US dollar to Kenya shillings. There is no evidence attached here. So I would ask that while we take a break, then the PS takes this time to properly equip this document with proper information. There is further supplementary evidence, evidential material that is not properly put here, that we want to be provided before we can execute this matter and ventilate on it.
Chair, allow me. I want to concur with the rest of the team that we penned this and get another date. However, just scanning through, I think it's also important that the PS attaches the initial High Court matter so that we understand what was in High Court and what was consented by the AG.
Chair,
I have seen a copy of the regulations by John Mbadi here. I will need you to rule on if that will be a submission, because I've seen it's still in draft. And if that is the intention, we will need the CS or the PS to help us understand the intention, if this regulation is going to help us handle the glaring matters in this report. Thank you, Chair.
I think on that I can guide Namwar. A draft regulation, normally it will be subject to public participation, and the first point of land in the National Assembly will be the Committee of Delegated Legislation.
I don't need your guidance.
The Committee of Delegated Legislation before it comes to the floor of the House.
Members, you know, if we are going to agree to adjournment and get more time to study the response, then we don't need to open a discussion. Please, because the moment you open a discussion, so many people here want to ask. Yes,
Chair, I'm not asking.
Yes, Nabi, what's the problem?
Chair, just as Kagombe said, on response E, there is no evidence. On response I, there is no evidence. On response B, I just saw that when we come, we don't waste time. Yeah. And, yes. No, we just need to. Yes.
Yeah, so, PS, you can see from the members.
Thank you, Chair. We have no objection. We will be guided and be ready to come back. We are also keen to have this matter sorted, because there's a lot of public interest. And we are trying to provide the information required, because the last 3 years, we have really worked hard to make sure we settle this matter once and for all. Because you can see for many years, almost 10 years, there was no contractual obligation on the vendor. So we have tried to regularize things and make sure that we comply with the law. And we will provide all the information required. I want to assure Kenyans from 2023 up to onwards, there is no money that has been lost, to my knowledge. But we are subject to audit. I wish also we had the chance to discuss this audit report with the auditor, because there are things here that we also feel we could have provided. This is the disadvantage of a special audit, because a special audit, you never get the chance to reply. But clearly, we have interest, like everybody else, to resolve this matter once and for all. So Kenyans know the truth.
I can see there is a hand from the Director of Audit. Let's listen to the auditor. We want to adjourn. Don't open a debate. You have already requested for that. So, yes, auditor.
Chair, there is sentiment about we did not share this report, but actually this report was shared with the Treasury, and there is a submission that was made to the office. Secondly, even the final report, it has been shared as indicated. Even the final report was also shared with the Treasury as indicated in the forward by the Auditor General. So the report is with the Treasury.
Maybe I need to correct that. You know, sharing is one thing. We normally have a meeting where I chair that exit meeting, where we look at the report and agree on areas. So it's okay.
We don't want to open.
But Chairman, allow
me. You know, PS, you had all the time with the auditor.
Thank you, Chair. I would like to mention, before we finalize an audit, we have an exit meeting. And the PS was present, that meeting where I attended. We gave a management letter. We have his responses. And I can even go on record here and say there are some responses here that are contradicting the submission he has made today. Thank you, Chair.
Then ask the PS to withdraw.
Yeah. So we are not asking to withdraw. We want to adjourn. PS, we want to adjourn because the submissions that you have made, we need to look into them.
We are happy if you need additional information.
No problem. If you still want to do even another one and add. But the committee will give you a notice to reappear within 2 weeks. Thank you. Meeting is adjourned.